Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can transfer money from Revolut to PayPal. So first of all, launch your Revolut application. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Then you will see a page like this. Now in here, you will see a card icon on your top right hand side. Open the card icon. And likewise, make sure that you have already added the card. And if you have done that, what you have to do is open your PayPal. Also make sure that you are logged into your PayPal account. You will see a page like this. In here, select three-bar icon, select wallet. Under wallet, select link a card. And under link a card, you're going to have to simply link the specific card that you used for your Revolut. Type in the card number, expiration date, CVV. And once you have linked that, when you are making a purchase, you will also see Revolut or something related with your card name. And you may go ahead and load funds from there, and which is equivalent to transferring your money from Revolut to PayPal. So guys, this is how easy it was. Thank you for watching.